Hello, we are the Bliss Online team. Our team consists of Verislim Hilzigid, Shibu Varghese, Stephen Anderson, and Rena George. Just a quick background of our project. So we had about 12 countries that had the basic laboratory information system in use. The scope of the project for us was to roll out Bliss 3.8 to Ghana and Cameroon. There were some of these countries or some of these labs were first-time online and offline mode users. The system worked with multiple labs in a very constrained resource environment. Technical skills are a constraint for rollout within remote labs in each country, and project sustainability to be achieved by being open source, collaborated with local groups, and being accredited within the region. Some of our milestones. As a first milestone, we met with the professor and created some communication tool set and also created a team. The second milestone was we identified Bliss 3.8 code modifications and deployed it in a local environment. Our third milestone was where we fixed a few bugs like some browser issues that we had, documented the deployment procedures, and got in touch with the Ghana team, released the 3.8.1 version locally. As a fourth milestone, we worked with Ghana team and deployed the online version for Ghana, requested for lab upgrades. As a fifth milestone, Ghana upgraded a few labs, did some peer review, and got feedback on the deployment from the Ghana director. And as a part of our sixth milestone, we upgraded some of the Cameroon online environment. We added some smoke tests and automation of rollout scripts for labs. What are some of the principles that we have applied throughout the course? Starting small, engage user, and add more. So as a part of C4G Bliss 3.8, we fixed a few bugs and rolled out in a very phased manner. So we started off with online deployment to cloud and then working with the partners to do the standalone deployment. Sustainability. Rolled out as an open source app which can be deployed in DigitalOcean at lower cost. Also, the solution is available on a standalone mode. Immediate user value. The system was designed and deployed based on two major principles: an iterative cooperative design methodology, immediate and continuous benefit for day-to-day users of the system. We also had some infrastructure constraints due to the robustness of limited infrastructure, have a low infra footprint to get started with. We also made the installation process a lot easier for our partners. And how did we do that? We built some automated scripts and also created some run books with screenshots that can be easily followed by our partners. Stakeholder engagement. We continuously did meet with the Ghana and the Cameroon director and also try to get some feedback based on our deployment documentation and also as a part of how we worked with them and how easy it was to follow some of our deployment documentation. System usability. All parts of the system are supported with documentation and have been designed with customizable workflows. Data security. Since it is a healthcare data security is definitely primary. Anonymization has been built in. Backups can be encrypted as well. Here are some of our screenshots of our deliverables throughout the project. And how did we remove some of the sensitive data? User logins are maintained by partner countries. Partner director manages lab configurations and user credentials. Backup of the data taken prior deployment is encrypted. Steps and instructions are available to enable security on cloud utilizing HTTPS certs. Here are some of our videos of how we have implemented the deployment. So the first video is about the automatic deployment of Bliss. The second video talks about the deployment of Bliss to cloud. And then finally, the implementation of smoke test to verify post-deployment. Thank you.